Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from Mathematics for Economics. When the production function of a firm is Q equals to 20 K to the power zero point 0.5 L to the power zero point 0.5, price of capital is 5 per unit, price of labor is 4 per unit, what will be the expansion path ratio of the firm? First, I write the production function Q equals to 20 into K to the power 0.5 into L to the power 0.5. This form of equation is called Cobb-Douglas production function. Cobb-Douglas production function Q equals to 20 K to the power 0.5 L to the power 0.5. It shows that with the help of two units, labor denoted by L and capital denoted by K, output Q is produced. Now the expansion path ratio of the firm is, the equation for expansion path ratio is MPL by MPK equals to W by R. Now what is MPL? MPL is marginal product of capital. It is the marginal product of capital, partial differentiation of Q with respect to L, that is del Q by del L. We differentiate output Q with respect to L keeping K constant. It means differentiation of output Q with respect to L keeping K constant. Now we differentiate del L Q K to the power, this is 20 K to the power half, 0.5 is half, I am writing half, into L to the power half. Now 20 K to the power half is constant, we are differentiating L to the power half with respect to L, half, the power half comes here into L to the power half minus 1, this get cancelled as 10 K to the power half L to the power minus half. Similarly, we do MPK. What is MPK? MPK is the marginal product of capital. This is del Q by del K. That is, we differentiate Q partially with respect to capital. In other words, we differentiate output with respect to capital keeping labor constant. Del of del K, in place of Q I am writing 20 K to the power half L to the power half. This time we keep labor constant. Therefore 20 into L to the power half. Now we differentiate K to the power half with respect to K. Half comes here, K to the power half minus 1. This get cancelled at 10 K to the power minus half L to the power half. Now what is W? W is the price of labor. This is the wage rate. W is the wage rate. It is the price per labor is 4. And R is the rental rate. It is the price per price of capital per unit. This is 5. W is the wage rate, price of labor per unit. R is the rental rate, price of capital per unit. Now MPL by MPK. MPL by MPK equals to what? 10 K to the power half L to the power minus half divided by 10 K to the power half L to the K to the power minus half L to the power half. This 10 get cancelled. We take K to the power minus half in the numerator. It becomes K to the power half plus half, and L to the power minus half in the denominator, that is L to the power half plus half. This becomes K by L. Therefore, MPL by MPK equals to K by L. Now, This is equals to what? W by R. Now W equals to 4, R equals to 5. This is equals to 4 by 5 or 0.8. Hence the equation of the expansion path or the expansion path ratio is the expansion path ratio is K by L equals to 0.8 or K equals to 0.8 L. This is the expansion path ratio, or it can be said that this is the equation of the expansion path, or the equation of expansion path is expansion path is K to the power K equals to 0.8 L. This is the answer of this question. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.